Hi guys, this is Lord Seadog here, and joining me is MX. And today we are going to react to Lord X versus MX by Revolver Animation. If you want to see more, please like and subscribe. Let's do this. MX versus Lord X. Begin. I want MX to win. Now I want Lord X to win. Oh, there's Lord. There's MX. I wonder who's he chasing. Ah, Lucas. Get away from me. Why, Lucas? I just want to have fun with you. Here's an example. and there's me, Lord X. Actually, no, that I want Lord X. And there we go. You're good, MX. You look ridiculous. Take that, Lord X. Take this. And this. Well, that looks like he's easier than I thought. No! Take this. Yeah. You're coming to me. Welcome to my world. You're good. But I'm better. Come on, MX. Give me a good fight, my lad. Say now. Innocence doesn't get you far. Wahoo! Let's do it. Ring barrage. Hammer smash. Beam blast. Come on. Come on. Get up. Well, why did you finish me? Thank you. Yeah. See, by the way,
and they became best friends. The end.
That was a good video. Bye.